Storeganise allows you to add prepayment balances to rental accounts. When Storeganise generates the customer's rental period invoice, the system will first look at the prepayment account. This will move the invoiced amount from the prepayment account to the revenue account. To add prepayment, let's first navigate to an active unit rental. On the unit rental page, you'll find the prepayment account in the left side menu. In this example, the prepayment balance is currently $0. To add a prepayment, there are two options. The first option is to click on the three dots in the upper right corner and select Collect Rent Prepayment. This will prompt you to enter the number of months of prepayment you'd like to collect and whether you'd like to apply a discount. In this example, we'll add 3 months of prepayment. After entering the information, an invoice is generated with a line item for 3 months of prepayment at $100 per month. This customer's rental rate. If there are accounting codes set for prepayments, they will automatically be applied to the invoice. Now that the prepayment invoice is generated, you can either charge the customer using a payment processor or add a manual payment. For this example, we'll add a manual payment. Once the invoice is paid, we can check the updated prepayment balance by returning to the unit rental page and reviewing the prepayment account. The balance is now $300. You'll also notice the billed until date for this rental has been extended by 3 months. The second option for collecting prepayment is to add it directly to a draft invoice. To do this, navigate to the Invoices section and create a new draft invoice. Click the plus icon in the top right corner and select Collect Prepayment. Just like before, enter the number of months in any promotion. In this case, we'll add another 3 months. We can also add prepayment that is less than or an otherwise not equal to a full month's amount by adding a custom charge to the draft invoice. Just be sure to set the type to prepayment. Once the invoice is paid, we can go back to the unit rental page. You'll now see the billed until date extended by an additional 3 months, as the customer has a total of 6 months of prepayment on their account. On the next invoice date, instead of charging the customer, the system will automatically move the invoiced amount from prepayment to revenue. If there is a remaining balance on the invoice, it will follow the logic of your billing trigger setting, either sending the invoice via email or charging the customer through your integrated payment processor. If the prepayment covers the entire invoiced amount, a paid invoice will still be generated to reflect the realized revenue.